think the legacy of Wednesdays in Mississippi is actually a very heartening beacon to point to demonstrate that women can collaborate across many kinds of differences to challenge racism.
There was this notion that perhaps women being heads of families, being heads of communities, that if the women could get together, that they could actually lead and show men and other civil rights organizations, how and what needed to be done.
The Wednesdays women were formulating this audacious project at the same moment that Betty Friedan published The Feminine Mystique, which was articulating the frustration of white middle-class women in the suburbs. Here we had a group of women who were just taking leadership and creating a women-only form of activism years before the term women's liberation was even coined.
We in SNCC sort of looked on the ladies from the North as, bougie ladies with a liberal idea. It wasn't revolutionary the way we thought, we were going to be.
Why would they bother then to work with these women, you might say? Why not just work with SNCC? Why bother to work with these women in the Black community and the white community? And the answer is, as change began to happen in the South, it was the women who would have to pick up the pieces.
They were just as dangerous as we were in SNCC. And there was a way probably which they were more dangerous in that they came with power behind them, of their connections.
They were successful because they brought white women and Black women working together and changed institutions. It's not voter registration. It's how do you change education? How do you change the lives of the people who live there?
Women working with women have created change in so many places. This was one of the first efforts at doing that. And it came from Polly and Dorothy Height, thinking together, what can Black and white women do together to make a difference?